Hey viewers, it's Roush team member Dennis SG1 on Instagram, here to share with you the install of my cold air intake on my 2016 Ford Focus RS. You can find this cold air intake on RoushPerformance.com. The install of this was sponsored by Homer Skelton Ford in Millington with genuine Ford service. So come follow John and I as we do the install on this cold air intake on the RS. The kit includes the Roush branded open air box tray, the premium reusable air filter with mounting bracket, the box seal, the 3-inch high-flow induction tube with OEM fit and finish and Roush branding, the RS connector sleeve with 2 clamps. Roush also provided us with some custom lettering. They included red, blue, and white lettering. The tools you need for the job are the 1/4-inch ratchet, the 7, 8, and 10 millimeter sockets, an extension, the 7, 8, and 12 millimeter wrench and scissors.
Alright, try to see what we can do. John, you ready to get this done? Alright, let's go do it. Alright, the first thing we're going to do is remove the OEM parts that Ford has.
Remove the 4 bolts from the OEM part. Just give it a tug and remove. Remove the OEM filter. Insert the Roush provided cold air intake filter. Go ahead and secure the clamp. Insert the seal into the Roush provided open air box. Give it a quick trim. Remove the 4 bolts from the OEM part that you removed earlier. Now insert the 4 bolts into the Roush provided open air box. Go ahead and insert the Roush provided box back into your RS. Go ahead and tighten all the screws down. Go ahead and remove the engine cover, give it a tug on each side, it should come right out. Remove the first section by loosening the 2 mounting clips. Go ahead and remove the first piece, making sure to disconnect the tube and the wire from the back of the first piece. We secured the tube to a back cable using a zip tie to keep it out of the way. Go ahead and remove the mounting screw on the left side of the engine. Remove the tube from the back of the second part. Loosen up the clamp from the left side. Give it a wiggle and a roll out. Make sure to remove the old sleeve. Remove the metal sleeve and the rubber washer from your OEM part and put it into your Roush induction tube. Prepare your Roush sleeve. Go ahead and secure the sleeve on the left-hand side. Fit your induction tube into the sleeve. may take you a few tries, but go ahead and take the tube you disconnected from your OEM part earlier and put it into the back of your induction tube. Fit the tube in and go ahead and tighten up all the clamps. Go ahead and tighten up the left side. Take out one of the metal sleeves and insert it into the mounting screw. Secure the mounting screw back on the engine. Time to put the cover back on. We're almost there. And here it is, the 2016 Ford Focus RS cold air intake by Roush Performance.
I'm going to go ahead and let my Roush Performance go. Give it the first crank. Little rev there, Jen. Alright, just want to thank John here at Militant Ford Service for helping me doing this Roush Performance build. I look forward to showing you more from Roush Performance on future builds. Check out my Instagram, DENNISSG1, and then hit subscribe to see more future Roush builds. I hope to see y'all soon. Thanks.
Thanks to the auto firm for the custom satin black paint job and to J.L. McCain for her awesome camera work.